we are opposed around the world by a monolithic and ruthless conspiracy that relies primarily on covert means for expanding its sphere of influence, on infiltration instead of invasion, on subversion instead of elections, on intimidation instead of free choice, on guerrillas by night instead of armies by day. It is a system which has conscripted vast human and material resources into the building of a tightly knit, highly efficient machine that combines military, diplomatic, intelligence, economic.
A new world order.
Oh my God.
That looks like a second plane. Has
I
just
did not
hit.
see a plane go in. That just exploded.
We just saw another plane coming in from the side.
You did.
In the heart of this great city, we saw tragedy arrive on a quiet morning. September the 11th, September the 11th.
September 11th.
Weapons of mass destruction, weapons programs,
The deadliest September 11th.
terrible weapons, nuclear weapons, poison gas, torture chambers, mass graves, radical ideology of hate.